Hey everybody, Dole Mayfield here. Welcome to my backyard. You know, whenever Debbie and I are out on the road for any length of time, we both kind of want to get back home and get back in the backyard with some gardening and just unwind a little bit around what nature provides. And I like growing just some regular old staples back here. You know, I got your tomatoes and collards and okra and Belgian endive and, hey, what's that stirring over there in the cucumber patch, I wonder? Well, you got any gardening advice for the folks at home, Debbie?
You know, Dole, gardening is a lot like writing a song. You plant your idea, or seed, water it, nurture it, and wait for it to blossom. My mama always said you can tell a lot about a gardener by her tools. And I guess that's true about me too, because you never know when a new song might want to blossom. There's a blue post-it note on the vegetable crisper in the icebox that once was my heart. It's a young woman's list, like a prayer and a whisper of the dreams for her life's grocery cart.
Whoa, all righty. Well, let's let her work on that one a little bit more. You know, sometimes it's possible to use too much fertilizer. Well, folks, that's all the time we got today in my backyard, but be sure to join me tomorrow. I got a whole troop load of Boy Scouts coming in with their 22 rifles, and we're going to see if we can't take care of some of these son of bitchin' chipmunks about to tear this place up. All righty. Well, Debbie, what do we say when we're done? Put gravy on it and call it a biscuit.
Bye-bye. Love you.
She does.